Hello and welcome to the Case IH Axial Flow 250 Series Combine Operation Guide. In this video we will introduce the control screen, its layout and its operation. Position and angle the control screen to suit your field of vision in a comfortable manner. Ensure that you have a Case IH USB memory stick in place. Turn on the ignition and the screen goes through a wake-up process and will finalise by showing the first run screen, Run 1. The information in the left third of the screen is fixed and cannot be altered and shows, from top to bottom, left to right, blank or feed rate control icon, travel speed, selected gear, park brake, AccuGuide icon, engine temperature, monitor including slow shaft speed indicators, working mode 1A or H, folding unload spout position, grain tank lid position, unloading auger position. Just below is the header status area, the lights status area, and to the right the fuel level gauge. Underneath is the DEF or AdBlue level, and alarm and error icon indicator area. Touching the back button goes to the main control screen to find a series of buttons for further information. Run screens returns us to the data screens used during work. The toolbox is the combine and run screen setup procedure and is subject to separate videos. Diagnostics is for checking error codes and generally used by you to report these codes or issues to your dealer as necessary. The calibration screens are for mechanical and electronic calibrations such as sieve settings, header tilt zeroing, area, moisture and yield calibrations, AccuGuide nav calibration and crop setup calibration. In the crop setup, insert the moisture of the crop it will be at the time of sale to the trade, and, if required, in the manual moisture, insert the moisture to be used by the combine should the auto system be out of order. In data management, you can import and export data from the USB memory stick, personalize the crop list to the crops that you grow, delete information already downloaded in the office or, for example, from previous owners, manage and edit any map data, and apply calibration data to non-calibrated fields. The information screens are exactly that. Various information gleaned from different parts of the combine, such as pressures and temperatures, etc. The only thing an operator can do here is zero things such as distance and fuel used. Depending upon the specification, the Procedures button is to release track tension and retensioning of the tracks for maintenance purposes, to carry out a loss sensor sound check, and to carry out a sieve pressure sensor calibration procedure. Touching the Performance button takes you to 3 more tabs on the screen. The Profile tab is the grower, farm, field information and setup if you wish. This is mirrored on the Run screens and Layout screens. The Sum 1 and Sum 2 or Summary Data tabs allows you to view a total of all crops for all growers or just one particular crop, type or grower. These tabs are set up via the Layout screens in the Screen toolbox. Automation button, if seen, is specifically for combines with harvest command and is subject of separate videos. ACS, or automatic crop saving screens, allows for personalized setup and saving of working conditions for different crops, the associated information and the summaries. This will be subject of a separate video. As we have seen, the control screen is an easy-to-use touch-sensitive screen with a multitude of functions and information. Try to familiarize yourself with it prior to harvest, and always remember that more comprehensive information can be found in the operator's manuals. Thank you for watching and have a great season.